Yeah, camping in the elements.
You gotta wait.
Breakfast.
You have to wait. Get used to it. Stop being impatient.
Got rain. Got family, food, animals.
Remy, get away from me.
What?
Get over here.
Remy, enjoying the elements.
Sit down.
Steve ranting for no reason. Rain coming down too. Woo! So, surviving camping, night 1. So, I did it. Man, Gizmo did it. Gizmo, you alright? He be wanting to go with me at night when we trying to go to the bathroom. But yeah, that's the key, man. If you don't have no bathroom, be at a site that is close to the bathroom. They've been up. Good morning. I don't know what they out there doing. They've been running around doing whatever. But yeah, man, it was cool, man. It was chilly at first. I got the heater over there plugged in, but then I ended up having to turn the heater off. It got too hot. Now I got the damn fan on. So yeah, the weather was interesting. I went to the bathroom like 5 something in the morning, and it was kind of warm out. I'm like, well, damn, that was an interesting switch. So, yeah. So, I'm about to get my day started. Yeah, chilling with my pajamas, you know what I'm saying? I got a sheet. But see, these real soft. I didn't know how chilly it was gonna be. These are like real soft sheets. So, but yeah. Warm too, so that might have been the thing. So, Gizmo, you cool? Yeah, Gizmo cool. Probably ready for me to go bathroom too. So, alright, check back in later. But yeah, last night was cool. No issues, ain't no bugs. It's very quiet. And even with all the people out sleeping and whatever, everybody was chilling. So yeah. Morning. It's going to rain today. As y'all see, it's nice and gloomy. My daughter is making breakfast. She's over there making pancakes. Let me see what the pancakes looking like.
What's that?
Ooh. Got butter. Granddaughters is chilling. Dog's chilling.
Do you have you got any money on you?
Yeah. What do you need?
Could we get added to the money that she got?
We need 90 and I have 47.
Your shirt is 10.
So we got shirts that we ordered for the group picture. So we all wear Knoebels shirts and we're gonna be all wearing shirts for the group picture. So, but yeah, man, last night was cool, man. They talking about I ain't have it wide open like this. I just opened this up for this morning. But yeah, I was cool. I got the heater and had the heater on for a little while, but yeah, I woke up like 5 something in the morning to go to bed. It was hot. Got the fan. I'm about to turn the fan off since I ain't in there. And recharge it for the later on. But I'm gonna test this tent out, see how it works in the rain. But I think there's another tarp. So worst case scenario, I'll cover my tent up with that tarp because other people, they're covering up their tents and they're prepping for rain. So like see that tent right there? He start cover his tent up. He must already know how his tent gonna perform in the rain. But yeah, this is everybody's getting ready for the morning and for their day, and that's how it's going down. Everybody getting ready. I'll keep y'all posted about how everything goes on. Alright, so now it's officially raining. So yeah, my daughter got turkey bacon and eggs on deck. We had to let Remy out because he was out there in the rain. Steve is right there. And my stuff is getting exposed. So let me go ahead and put my chair up before that gets too wet. And yeah, hopefully. Now this camera is waterproof, so I don't know about the camera. Like, this is Gizmo's food. Put this in here somewhere. And yeah. Put my chair up. Yo, this chair is a rocking chair. You know what I'm saying? I got this on sale for like $40. This is like a $70 chair. So yeah, this is. Put this up. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this tent holds up, and I'll definitely be doing a review on it. See, matter of fact, I'm gonna close my door. So this will. I don't want my mattress to get wet. Bang. So, and if I wanted to, I could zip this up from the outside. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna see how this plays out. You know what I mean? See, it's raining. But it's not like a heavy downpour or anything like that. So it's just gonna be wet out here. And I probably should put Gizmo's food up as well. So yeah, he's looking like, yo man, what's going on? But yeah, this camp life. You get what nature gives you. Some days it's sunny. Yeah, it's another camper. Yeah, they over there chilling. Everybody is making the best of it, and that's what it is. That's life. What life brings you, you make the best of it. So, all right, check back in probably after breakfast. No, I never did the tour of my daughter's tent.
Well, now it's dirty.
It's okay. I get to see real tent life in real life. I'm not going to come in because I have. But yeah, they got the. What's that? Queen size?
It's all nice and made up.
Yeah. Should have did it yesterday, but. This is a nice size. This is type. You know, they got little bins and cubbies, and man, it's actually cool in here. This is a 2-person, well, more than 2 people tent, obviously. Yeah, so this is cool.
This is a 12-person tent.
You're not getting 12 people in here.
No, it's when they say the type of people, it's meaning like if y'all was to lay down in a sleeping bag. No, seriously, if you ever look at the picture, it has them in a sleeping bag just laying down.
Oh yeah, if you're doing sleeping bags, but yeah, we glamp. Well, I now glamp. But yeah, this is cool.
This is not.
That's my shirt.
No, these are Autumn's.
Oh, okay. Well, yes, more shirts for the group
I don't think she got their money.
But yeah, it's not really raining right now. It's like a light drizzle. And yeah, you burn your trash, so that's how you do it. They got these things here, and you burn your trash. So
this says Gasper.
So Gizmo been running around. I got him on a leash right now, so he's chilling. But yeah, I'm about to check my tent out, see what kind of condition it's in. All right, so now I'm about to check out the condition of my tent to see how dry or wet it is on the inside. So it's been raining, off and on, different types of rain, light rain, heavy rain. Like I said, this is very, very good material. Let me go inside. I did zip it up after the fact, but before I zipped it up, yeah. So I'm about to take my sneakers off real quick, and then yeah, let me take these sneakers off, and then go inside. Dang, sneakers on tight. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I'm inside the tent, and yeah, this is my Knoebels shirt for the group picture. So, yeah. Outlaws weekend. So this is for the group picture. I'm about to go take a shower. But let's see. By the window area, everything is dry. I don't see anything of concern. Let me see something. dry. Everything's dry. Nothing wet at the seams. Yeah, nothing leaking on the inside. Let me check this chair area over here. Yeah, everything is dry. I'm good. This tent is definitely a win. This tent is a win. Yeah, I'm happy. So I'm straight. Alright, I'm about to get my stuff together and take a walk to the shower. They got community showers, and they not community, but yeah, open showers. Then they got little private shower areas. So I'm about to go handle that. Yeah, so how do you bathe while you're going camping if you don't have a shower in your RV? Well, you can use the shower room. One button push. Woo! And then yeah, I ain't gonna adjust it. No, with one button push. Yeah, that's pretty warm. I mean, it may get hotter, I don't know, but I'm good with that temperature. Got my little shower kit, and then keep it moving.
20 minutes later.
You gonna pick them up for the picture?
Yeah, get up, come here.
Ah, wait, we missed one person.
We missed one. Hold on. Chrissy,
Chrissy, we missed Richard.
Ricky.
Richard wasn't in the picture.
Oh damn, we got a
Brittany's dad.
no, yeah, this is group pictures. Yeah, I'll see if I can copy that picture. I have the whole Gizmo badass. Hi. So yeah, Knoebels group picture. Everybody gets the same shirt. We order shirts and then we take a picture. So yeah, during rainy days. So the amusement park is open, but right now we're entertaining ourselves. Daughter is making something with apples. Gizmo was chilling. Remember when he was Steve? They sitting here watching iPad stuff. I done made me a drink. I'm about to go in my tent and chill for a minute. So, yeah, I'm always open or invited to go to the other tent and chill. But yeah, I'm chilling right now. So I'm enjoying this. So I'll tune back in later. There's a bus that takes you to the park.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Sir, you can't bring the dog on.
Okay.
Sorry. Because of somebody might have an allergy.
Oh, this all family. Oh, okay.
I know, but other buses.
Hey, I'll meet y'all there. So there's
I'm sorry about
there's
that.
another bus there?
No, I'm the only bus.
Okay, cool. All right, thank you.
Alright?
All right,
Sorry.
no problem. All right, so me and Gizmo can't get on, so we'll get over there eventually. So we'll just have to walk. You know what I'm saying? All right, that's cool. All right, so we're walking. We've been walking for a minute. Steve's just now catching up. So I'm being led by other family members. That's Dave and his lady. Me and Gizmo walking. There's a lot of different sights, and we walked past the cabins earlier. Just pop up. So you know a shortcut or two, you think you